Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Apple ID and device basics. Sign out of the App Store, then sign back in to force a fresh account check. This often surfaces the real error. Make sure date, time, and iOS are correct, and disable screen time restrictions temporarily. Once done, collect purchase receipts, your device serial, and the Apple ID email. These are essential if you must contact Apple support or submit verification, and they speed any account reactivation process. You next force the system to revalidate purchases and permissions. Restart the device to clear transient errors, then check for iOS updates. Apple sometimes requires the latest version to re-enable services. Reset network settings and test a different Wi-Fi or cellular connection to eliminate network validation blocks. If a specific app shows disabled, delete and reinstall it after confirming the App Store signs you in. These steps remove corrupted local data and let the store recheck entitlements. If local steps fail, you contact Apple support directly and present the documentation you gathered. Explain the exact disabled message, the troubleshooting you've done, and ask explicitly for account reactivation. Provide device serial and receipts when requested. Follow identity verification and payment remediation instructions. These are common causes. Finally, if the frontline agent cannot resolve it, politely request escalation to a senior specialist. That's frequently the only way to get persistent disabled flags cleared quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.